All right, welcome back to section 3. In this section, we're going to talk about Adobe XD, and in this video, we're going to talk about the welcome page, which I already have open right here. So make sure you click on Adobe XD if you haven't already, and open that up. And I'm just going to talk briefly about the home page and what you can do based on the information here. So they have a couple options for you. You can do a tutorial right here. So that begin tutorials. You can start a new design. So you can click on iPhone X. And what that's going to do is build a new prototype. Well, design right here. And then the prototype is right here, where you can create multiple artboards. So that's one option. Let me go to... Close that out. Let me go back in. Here we go. So you can start a new design down here. So the iPhone, the iPad, the web, or custom size. Okay. You can go to XD add-ons. So they have plugins that you can use here. UI kits that you can download and work off of. Okay. And then app integrations that you can download and install as well. Okay. Your work. So you have cloud documents, which I don't have any. Documents that have been shared with you, which I don't have any. Manage links. So this is, if somebody sent you a link, it would be published here, and then you'd be able to view it. Okay. And then deleted. Okay. And now you can look down here to see what's new with Adobe XD. You can add it in Photoshop, Unified Development Links, etc. Okay, so they have quite a bit of stuff here. Learn and support. So if you need support or want to learn more about it, even after you take this course, which I highly recommend doing, because they have a lot of great tutorials on, laying out designs, lay out and design your app or website, create and preview interactive prototypes, share prototypes for review, start your designs with UI kits, etc. Okay, so they have a lot of great samples here that you can go through and really learn a lot about the application. And then provide feedback. So let's say that you want to provide feedback here. You can do product issue, how to, missing features, crash or freeze, etc. Okay, this is kind of the support area. All right, so that's the welcome page. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.